Hey everyone, it's Kristen, and today we're going to be doing this half ripped off face makeup effects look. To start out this look, I'm going to be using the Mehron Syn Wax and the Mehron Spirit Gum. First, we're going to be putting the Spirit Gum where we want the Syn Wax to be applied to, and then put down a small piece of Syn Wax. I like to make sure it's a small, thin piece. Then I am blending upwards using my fingers. I also like to use petroleum jelly to help smooth out the Syn Wax. I prefer to use my fingers rather than a spatula because I think the warmth of the fingers helps blend it better. Then I continue the same process with small pieces of Syn Wax across the face. For the right side of my face, I'm making the shape a little different. I want it to look asymmetrical because both sides of the face would not look the same if your skin was ripped. Once I have the Syn Wax applied, I go over it with translucent powder to help take down the shininess. Then I use the Milani Conceal and Perfect foundation and put it on the top portion of my face and on top of the Syn Wax. For the bottom portion of the face, I'm using a Mehron Aqua paint in red and putting it on the lower portion of my face and under the chin area. Once the paint has dried, I'll be going over that with the Mehron Scab Blood. I like to use this blood because it gives a little bit of texture and coagulation to the blood and also gives it a more believable color. After that, I go over the top of it with stage blood to give it a wet look, and also use a little bit of the stage blood on the edges of the Syn Wax to make those look a little bloody. And this completes this half ripped off face look. I think this would be a great, minimal, easy to do Halloween makeup look. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching and hope to see you again soon.